Welcome to Deliverable 7. With this, we are going to take a look at a poster that is stressing the importance and necessity of investigating the research question of should police officers be required to attend mandatory counseling sessions monthly to help with good mental health. With this, we will look at a variety of things that are labeled on this poster. We'll discuss the background, the problem, and the purpose. We'll discuss some of the literature reviews that are available to stress the importance of this. We'll discuss the methods used, data collection method, expected findings, and we'll wrap it all up in the end. To start, the background, problem, and purpose of this question is the number of suicide deaths by police officers has increased in the last few years. And there's a lot of evidence that backs that up. The problem, the stigma of appearing weak is a significant challenge first responders face when dealing with mental health struggles. Mental health counseling has proved to benefit people. So the main purpose of this study is to determine if police officers should be required to attend mandatory monthly counseling sessions to help with good mental health. Methodology. The methodology is how we approach problems and seek answers to the research study. This research study will utilize a mixed method strategy to collect data. The strategy will be conducted through interviews, surveys, and literature reviews. Limitations. Every research study has limitations. And for this one, the sample population may not be representative of the entire population due to a variety of characteristics or groups being overrepresented or underrepresented. Police officers may be hesitant to participate, leading to smaller sample size populations, which can result in not accurate representation of the larger population. Data collection. We will be mostly focused on qualitative data in the form for this research study. This will be done through surveys, where we will create surveys to be sent to police officers via email, ensuring anonymity, which will hopefully provide more feedback. Interviews. Create signups for police officers to participate in conduct and one-on-one interviews to gather in-depth insights and narratives from police officers. Focus groups will also be utilized, which will bring together a small group of police officers to engage in facilitated discussions on specific topics. Focus groups can also help explore group dynamics, shared perceptions, and diverse viewpoints. Observations will also be utilized with permission, ride-alongs with police officers to observe situations they are regularly exposed to. This will allow for systematically observations and documenting behaviors and interactions. There's a variety of literature reviews that can be done to help with a study of this magnitude in different varieties with different interpretations of the situation. For one, benefits of counseling can be used. One literature review is the 27 significant proven benefits of counseling. This article breaks down how all forms of counseling can improve forms of mental health issues such as depression and anxiety. Counselors can also improve communication in daily interactions and improve relationships. A strong message that is sent in this article is that mental health should receive as much attention as physical health. 5 benefits of working with a mental health counselor is another literature review that stresses just the basic benefits of counseling. Mental health counselors provide a confidential and safe space for individuals to share their thoughts and feelings. Mental health counseling can improve relationships and help people deal with significant life events Overall, mental health counseling can significantly improve the health and well-being of people who seek treatment in both physical and mental aspects. Basic stuff about the benefits of mental health counseling that is shown in literature review. Now, there's also the other side of a literature review that stresses the police officer's struggles. And the one, reducing the stigma of surrounding mental health. This article discusses many first responders' reluctance when seeking mental health treatment. The reluctance comes from the fear of being weak. This article also discusses that most precincts and agencies do provide mental health resources. However, unfortunately, most officers are too embarrassed to seek help. This can lead to an increase in serious mental health issues amongst first responders. Another article that goes along with the police officer struggles side of this argument is Law Enforcement Officer Suicide 2020 Report to Congress. This is a legal document that was presented to Congress that exposes the rising suicide rate among police officers. Every effort must be made to ensure these individuals' physical and mental health well-being is met. Data analysis. We will, once all the information is collected, we will organize the data. We'll collect statistics like the mean, median, standard deviation, and percentiles to see what we're working with. We'll create plot and charts, histograms, scatter plots, box plots to visualize the data distribution and relationships. We'll also generate a variety of reports such as infographics and PowerPoint presentations to showcase the results. Anticipated findings. The data analysis anticipates to generate meaningful findings and insights and make a comprehensive research report that can be put together clearly and organized. This information will be used to generate a report that can help answer the research question: should police officers be required to attend mandatory monthly counseling sessions to help with good mental health, and potentially help police officers who struggle with mental health while also helping improve their physical health. This report can aid in improving mental health awareness within police departments and improve mental health programs. This research study will help to fill in the gap in mental health research for police officers by collecting valuable information. This is a report and a research study that greatly needs our attention.